my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ellis here, Ride 254, man. Tune in for another one. Gonna start this thing up for you. We finished getting the exhaust tied up the way it need to be, clamped down the way it need to be. I was digging through some old boxes, found the exhaust clamps that I bought for something else, more than likely the Caprice, the first one, and yeah, found those. So anyway, we're gonna do a cold start with the new pipes on there and go from there. The other day I seen some what you call, oh yeah, white smoke. But now that I look at it, or now that I had the two individual pipes on there, I can tell exactly what side it's coming from. It's definitely this left side. I mean, you might get a little bit from the right, but definitely from that left side. It did a little pop and then it started smoking. So if anybody know what the hell that is, I think it means turbo it and send it. That's what I think it means. Now that I think about it though, man, I don't think I ever remember doing a fucking oil change on this truck. Like since I did the swap. So it might just need an oil change. But it also might have some leaky valve seals too. Decisions. Decisions. It's like a lot. Like a lot. So you might just run some seafoam through that bitch and call it a day. Call it a day. But you can see right there. Well, maybe you can't. It's definitely more predominant this way. It's definitely more predominant on the left side than the right side, so if that tell you anything, I don't know. Also, we got some insurance on the truck now, so we just need to go get the tags for it. We're gonna do this antique tags on this one, same thing like we did on the last one, so we can leave our license plate on the front that say Heartbeat of America and go from there. Yeah, that thing definitely smoking. So, like I said, I don't remember if I ever did an oil change on this. So, oil change coming soon. But I'm finna get ready to take the bike out, burn some more missiles. I gotten everything pretty much switched over. The mirror that was over here, I took it off and I put it on this side. But now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, well shit, I think I had it upside down anyway. I did go ahead and order some more mirrors. But I mean, it'll be alright. But yeah, I think this is the way it was supposed to be on there in the first place. I did order some Jigsaw mirrors. If the Jigsaw mirrors is okay, I'll stick with them. If not, I'll just order another set of these and call it good. I was like, man, I don't even want to use these anymore. And then I got them on there and I'm like, oh well shit. Never mind, we good. Never mind, we good. I definitely didn't want nothing like big and bulky, but I think I was kind of gonna try to go away from this as well. But it just it goes together so well as it is. So I'll leave that be. So let me get the key to the Cutlass, get that thing cranked up and get it moved back in its parking spot, and then I can get out with the bike. I gotta find some keys. Just gotta find some keys.